Hello, this is a quick video just to remind us how to do the law of cosines and how to use the law of sines to find missing information. So once again, the first thing you have to do is remember that what we see here is an angle in between two sides. So I'm going to have to use the law of cosines. And I'm looking for AC. So I'm going to label this side right here, and I'm going to call this little b. So the formula I'm going to use is b squared equals a squared plus c squared minus 2ac, the cosine of big B. All right, so I just plug my numbers into the formula, and I get b squared is going to equal, remember, your mode has to be, oh, it's right here. Mode has to be in degrees. So change that in your calculator to make sure you got that correct. So b squared is going to be equal to 26 squared. And I know this because this is little a, and this is little c. Plus 17 squared minus 2 times 26 times 17 times the cosine of 91. And once again, you're going to take your calculator, you turn it on, and when you're taking the test, you need to know how to do this. You hit mode, and you go down and make sure degrees is highlighted. Second, quit, and then you just type in the stuff exactly how it looks. 26 squared plus 17 squared minus 2 times 26 times 17. Oops, there should be time signs. Times the cosine of 91. Close your parentheses, hit enter, and you get b squared equals 980.4. And then the last step is to take the square root. And so the second square root of the second answer is 31.3. It says round to the nearest tenth, so it's going to be 31.3. So b equals 31.3. And it does make sense because b is the longest side. All right, the next one I want to do on this is number 5. So let's go ahead and go to number 5. All right, number 5 is going to be law of sines. And the reason I know it's law of sines is because of the information that's given. So first of all, I'm going to label my sides. So this is little b, this is little c, and this is little a. And I want to find AB right here, which is little c. So I have to use what's given, and I first have to figure out what this angle measure is because I'm given the side length of little a, but I don't have angle A. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 118 plus 16, and I get 134, and then you're going to take 134 and subtract it from 180, and you end up with 46. So this side right here is 46. So I'm going to do the sine of 46 over little a, which is 13, equals the sine of 16 over little c. And remember, we cross multiply and then divide. So it's going to be the sine of 16 times 13 equals the sine of 46 times c. So we're going to be dividing by the sine of 46. So I can type that in my calculator, but remember to hit enter before you hit divide by. So sine of 16 times 13, hit enter, and then divide it by the sine of 46. And you should end up with like 4.98, which is approximately 5. So c equals 5. And that makes sense because this is the shortest side and that's the smallest angle. All right. Hopefully that's refreshed your memory. If not, you want to go back and check in your notebook for other notes, or you can look this up on the internet. Good luck. Happy studying.